Welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today, we will bring you the FSTpipe stainless steel double press pipe-to-pipe connector operation. The materials and tools are handheld hydraulic plier, stainless steel pipes, stainless steel pipe-to-pipe connector. Apply lubricant to the sealing rings. Insert the stainless steel pipe into the pipe-to-pipe connector. Put the inserted pipe-to-pipe connector into the jaws of hydraulic plier. Align the position. Start the hydraulic plier for hydraulic pressure. Observe that the jaws are closed up and down. The pipe-to-pipe connector end is hexagonal or polygonal. Then the hydraulic pressure is qualified. Repeat the same steps to install the other side of the pipe-to-pipe connector. Then the installation is completed.